This one?
Sheep.
Is this a farm animal?
Yeah.
That's right.
And a quack quack here, and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Oh, McDonald's and a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Hello friends.
Hello friends.
Welcome to our channel.
Chikubuku Arts and Crafts.
இன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்னடா டிரா பண்ண போறோம்?
A farm.
A farm animals and a barn.
Okay.
ஓகேவா? சரி, நிலாக்கு ஒரு டெஸ்ட் வைப்போம். Can you find out what are the farm animals? அம்மா ஒண்ணா காட்றேன். Okay? You tell me whether it's farm animal or not.
Okay.
Okay. இது என்ன அனிமல்டா?
Horse.
Horse. Is this a farm animal?
Yes.
Right. Okay, and what is this?
A deer.
Deer. Is this a farm animal?
No.
No? Okay, that's right. What is this?
A chicken.
Chicken. And is this a farm animal?
Yeah.
That's right. What is this?
It's a tiger.
It's a tiger. Is this a farm animal?
No, it's a wild animal.
Wild animal. That's right. What animal is this?
It's a zebra.
And is this a farm animal?
No, it's
No.
a wild animal.
This one?
A sheep.
Is this a farm animal?
Yeah.
That's right. And this one?
A cow.
And is this a farm animal?
Yeah.
That's right. And what is this?
It's looking at you.
What animal is this?
It's a dog.
Is this a farm animal?
No.
And what animal is this?
It's a dog.
It's a pet animal?
Yeah.
This one?
Duck.
Is this a farm animal?
Yeah.
Quack quack here and the quack quack there.
Here quack, there quack, everywhere quack quack.
And what are these?
Pigs.
The cute little pigs. Is this farm animal?
Yeah.
Are these farm animals? Yes. Okay. Super da. Farm animals la correct ah kandupidichiteenga. So draw பண்ணலாமா?
Oh, sure.
Okay. Let's get started. Draw an oval shape for the body. And now draw another oval shape for the head.
Another circle, a circle for a head.
After we are going to divide that into two. So draw an arc within the face. On the line ku mele draw two eyes with the inverted U shape and few hairs at the forehead. Apron two circles for the nose and a small curve for the mouth. Now we are going to draw the horns. Horns.
Hunts.
And now draw the ears. Ear pathina chuma oru two arc mari vandu with the round edges. And now we are going to draw the legs. Draw 4 set of parallel lines from the body. A flat-headed triangle.
Jelly shape.
Okay, for the foot. Appuram we are going to draw 2 parallel curves for the tail. Now we are done with the curve. Next animal என்னடா வரையலாம்?
Can we draw pig?
Pig.
Yeah.
Okay. For the pig, draw a circle shape.
Oh, circle.
Big curve for the mouth, an oval shape for the nose, and 2 circles within the
Body.
nose. 2 dots for the eyes. And some curly ears. Appuram draw 4 parallel lines, 4 set of parallel lines for the legs. 2 front legs it starts from inside the body. So half the leg வந்து with the inside the body இருக்கும், half the leg outside. பாடி மேலே எங்கே ஓவர்லேப் ஆகி நீங்கள் வரைகிறீங்களோ அதெல்லாம் வந்து லேட்டராக நீங்கள் எரேசர் யூஸ் பண்ணி அழிச்சிக்கலாம். பேக் லெக்ஸ்க்கும் ட்ரா 2 set of parallel lines.
I want to draw a horse.
Horse is too much for today's picture. Do you want to draw the sheep or the chicken?
I want to draw a chicken.
Now we are going to draw the chicken. Draw an egg shape for the body. Draw 2 eyes, just a circle for the eyes. Inverted triangle for the nose. Some curly wings, like a petal for the wings, and for the and the same thing on the head too. Just draw 2 straight lines for the legs. Now let's draw the sheep. Sheep ku draw an oval shape for the head. Adoda head la some curves
For the wool.
and draw 2 eyes and 2 circles for the nose, a small curve for the mouth. அதோட பாடி வந்து நல்ல ஒரு cloud ஷேப்பில், clouds எல்லாம் எப்படி பஃபி பஃபியாக இருக்கும் அந்த மாதிரி. Now draw 4 set of parallel lines for the legs. Okay, the farm animals are done. Okay, va?
Oh.
Now let's draw the barn. Draw a square shape. அப்புறம் பார்னோட ரூஃப் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இட் வில் நாட் பி ரொம்ப அப்படியே டேரெக்டாக இன்வெர்டட் வி ஷேப்பில் வரையாமல் கொஞ்சம் ஒரு ஸ்லாண்டிங் லைன், தென் த ஆங்கிள் கொஞ்சம் மாறி another ஸ்லாண்டிங் லைன் வரும். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரியே டபுள் லைன் நம்ம போட போகிறோம். Then now draw the door. And draw the window at the top. என்னடா வரையலாம்? Next to the barn. Do you want to draw the tree?
Yeah.
Okay, let's draw the tree. Let's draw some clouds. What tree do you want to draw?
Apple tree.
Apple tree, yeah. Okay. Let's put some apple. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி லெக்ஸ் வந்து எந்த இடத்துல பாடி மேலே ஓவர்லேப் ஆகிருக்கோ அந்த லைன்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து ரப் பண்ணி கிளியர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஸோ இங்கே கூட இதே மாதிரி தான். இப்போ நம்ம இதை வந்து மார்க்கரால் அவுட்லைன்ஸ் கொடுத்துட்டு உள்ளே கலர் பண்ண போகிறோம். Dilla, can you sing Old McDonald's song?
Sure.
நம்ம இன்னைக்கு அந்த மாதிரி தானே ஒரு farm and a barn வரைய போறோம்.
Yeah.
Okay, can you sing that song?
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. And the moo moo here and the moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some horse, E-I-E-I-O. And the neigh here, the neigh there, here neigh, there neigh, everywhere neigh. everywhere a chick chick. McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has some cute little pigs.
Cute little pigs.
E-I-E-I-O.
And the oink oink here and the oink oink there. Here a oink and a oink
everywhere oink oink. Oh, McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O.
The
Baba here and the Baba there. Here a Baba, there a Baba, everywhere a Baba. Oh, McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
And on his farm he had some
Cute one duck,
duck.
E-I-E-I-O. Quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Oh, McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
A big clap to all our little friends who drew and sent us the pictures. எல்லாமே ரொம்ப பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா ஆசமா இருந்துச்சு. So keep sending us like this to chikubukumoon@gmail.com. Email address கீழே description boxலயும் கொடுத்திருக்கோம். We are very happy and excited to see your pictures and also get it posted in our videos.
If you like our videos, please like, share.
And subscribe for more art videos. Hope you like today's drawing. We'll meet you in another artwork in the next video. Until